Think your home is already smart? Think again. These gadgets don't just look cool, they actually make your daily life smoother, faster, and way more convenient. From devices that clean, secure, and automate everything around you, here are 30 smart home gadgets that actually make life easier. Ever wished your trash bin could do the heavy lifting for you? Meet the TOUCHLESS Smart Can that self-seals and self-changes its bag with a single button. It senses motion to open the lid, detects when it's overloaded, then the top compartment lifts and seals automatically. No spillage. With a built-in rechargeable battery and sleek design, it transforms a mundane chore into effortless function. A smart trash can isn't just convenient. It's a silent upgrade your kitchen didn't know it needed. Tired of juggling your device while trying to relax? This adjustable stand fits tablets and Kindles, anywhere from around 5 inches to 13, and rotates so you always get the perfect angle. The soft cushion base works on your lap or bed, and it folds flat for ease of storage. Whether you're catching up on shows, reading, or browsing, this stand gives your hands a break and your screen the stage. Simple comfort meets smart design. How often do you toss food scraps straight into the bin? With the AWAC electric composter, you don't. In around 3 hours, it dries, grinds, and cools your waste into fertilizer, cutting waste by up to 90%. At under 40 decibels noise and with carbon filter odor control, it sits quietly on your countertop while doing something meaningful for your kitchen and the planet. Eco-friendly, efficient, modern living in one compact appliance. Sweeping made simple. The iVac Home uses infrared sensors to sense debris and activates a powerful 1,000-watt vacuum to clean it. No bending, no dustpan wrestling. Bagless design, high-efficiency filters for clean air, and a streamlined look make it perfect for kitchens, mudrooms, or any hard floor space. When you sweep, it picks up the mess. Fast, clean, and oddly satisfying. Stepping out of the shower into a cold towel? Never again. The USHOWER 20-liter towel warmer brings spa-level comfort straight to your bathroom. It fits 2 oversized towels, robes, or even blankets, and heats up in just 1 minute, reaching full warmth in about 6. You can set it for 30, 60, or 90 minutes, and it automatically shuts off for safety. The built-in aroma tray lets you add your favorite scent so every towel smells fresh and feels heavenly. Warm, cozy, and ready when you are. That's how you start the perfect day. Want to see exactly who's at your door and what they're holding? The Ring Battery Doorbell Plus gives you head-to-toe HD video at 1536p with crystal clear detail and package detection that never misses a delivery. It installs in minutes, runs on a rechargeable quick-release battery, and lets you talk to visitors from anywhere through the Ring app. Add in motion alerts and color night vision, and you got eyes on your doorstep, day or night. Smart, simple, and security that just works. Grabbing paper towels with wet or messy hands? Not anymore. The Inovia Touchless Paper Towel Dispenser does the job with a wave. Its motion sensor dispenses the perfect sheet every time. No waste, no smudges. It fits neatly under cabinets or on countertops and works with most towel brands. Plug it in or run it on batteries. Either way, it keeps your kitchen cleaner and your hands germ-free. It's one of those upgrades that instantly makes sense. Ever wish your TV could match your mood or your movie? The GOVEE HDMI 2.1 Sync Box 2 transforms any screen into a full room experience. It supports up to 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 144 Hz with dynamic RGB lighting that syncs perfectly to what's on your screen. It even works with Alexa, Matter, and other smart systems. Just mount the LED strip behind your TV and press play. Your walls will light up with every explosion, laugh, and chase scene. Movie night just leveled up. Tired of switching between rulers, scales, and tape measures? The HOZO NEORULER. Go does it all in one sleek device. It's a digital ruler that measures curved and straight lines with plus or minus 1 millimeter accuracy. Supports both metric and imperial units and stores custom scales for designers and architects. Compact enough to fit in your pocket, it's perfect for quick sketches or precise plans. Smart, portable, and accurate. It's the ruler reinvented for the modern creator. Let the sunlight follow your schedule, not the other way around. The SWITCHBOT blind tilt turns your regular blinds into smart, motorized ones. No drilling, no rewiring. It's solar-powered, connects via Bluetooth, and syncs with Alexa, Google, and Siri for voice control. You can set daily schedules or adjust brightness with a simple tap. More comfort, more control, and a home that feels just a bit more futuristic every morning. Tired of streaky windows and watery tails? Meet the KEYPAD WF1. This cordless window vacuum promises streak-free cleaning by sucking up water and grime in one go. No manual squeegee required. With a 10-inch suction blade and up to 25 minutes of runtime per charge, it handles windows, mirrors, tiles, even your car windshield with ease. It's lightweight, efficient, and turns a hated chore into something surprisingly smooth. Clean glass without the drama. Cold patio evenings? Not anymore? The Serene Life 1,500-watt infrared heater brings sun-like warmth to your outdoor space in seconds. With an IP65-rated aluminum alloy frame, it withstands the elements and works for patios, balconies, or garages alike. The remote control adjusts the heat, the mesh guard keeps it safe, and because it's infrared, you feel the warmth directly. It's efficient and fast. Weather can stay outdoors. Inside, comfort takes over. Getting out of the shower only to freeze in your towel? This full-body dryer from VALIRYO changes the game. A slim drying column installs inside your shower cabin, uses 27 diffusers, adjustable air intensity and temperature to dry you from head to toe. No towel tumble needed. It's hygienic, safe, and ideal for anyone tired of slipping or chilly exits. In short, step out dry, confident, and simply done. Want to keep food fresh and cut down on waste? This automatic vacuum sealer by NUTRICHEF handles that. Pick between dry or moist mode depending on your food, hit the button, and it seals your bag. No guesswork. Lab tested to preserve food up to 5 times longer than ordinary storage, it includes bags, a hose for containers, and an intuitive interface. For meal prep, bulk buying, or keeping leftovers sharp, it's a must-have. Wish your faucet could reach further and bend smarter? This faucet extender rotates through 3 joints. Yes, 1,080 degrees of movement to aim water exactly where you need it. Made with premium brass and a multi-layer filter, it's splash-free and flexible, switching between soft bubbles and strong rinse modes. Installation fits most tap threads. A small attach-on, huge comfort upgrade. Think a dishwasher can't work in a tiny kitchen or rental? Think again. The comfy portable countertop dishwasher comes with a built-in 5 to 6 liter water tank, so no plumbing hookup needed. 6 wash programs, high temperature wash at 162 to 192 degrees Fahrenheit, and a 360-degree dual spray system cover cups, plates, and even larger cookware. It's ultra compact, uses about 1/3 the water of hand washing, and fits almost anywhere. Tidy kitchen, less dish chaos, and you still get spotless results. Expecting guests or need a quick sleep solution? The OGENI Queen Air mattress inflates in about 3 minutes thanks to its built-in 110-volt pump. At 80 inches by 60 inches and 18 inches thick, it supports up to 650 pounds with raised plush comfort. The resist moisture, the carry bag makes storage simple, and when the pressure drops, the integrated pump fills it back up. Affordable comfort, minimal setup. Makes you wonder why all guest beds don't do this. Cleaning windows from the outside? Hard, risky, and maybe done for now. The WinBot W1 Pro uses 2,800 Pascal suction power, dual-direction water spray, and WindSlam 3.0 path planning to scrub your glass thoroughly and safely. Edge detection ensures frameless windows aren't a problem. App control lets you start it, step back, and let it do its thing. Sparkling windows, zero climbing. Pretty compelling. Worried about unseen leaks, flooding, or high water bills? The Flow Smart Monitor and Shut-Off Valve watches your whole plumbing system and kicks in when something's off. You get real-time alerts, app control, and automatic shut-off if a leak is detected. One device, full house protection. Peace of mind is now built into your pipes. Want a floor cleaner that vacuums, mops, and self-cleans? The TINECO Floor 1 Stretch S6 delivers. It lies flat at 180 degrees, fits under beds, runs up to 40 minutes cordless, and features flash dry self-cleaning at approximately 158 degrees Fahrenheit to dry the brush and extract dirty water. Dual-sided edge cleaning and smart water system finish the job. Hard floors never looked this effortless. Feel like your room could use a breath of fresh air? The LEVOIT Core 300S cleans it faster than you can say allergy season. Its 3-stage filtration, pre-filter, true HEPA, and activated carbon removes 99.97% of dust, smoke, and odors. It's whisper quiet at just 22 decibels, connects to Wi-Fi, and even works with Alexa. Clean air, smart control, and peaceful silence. That's how you breathe better every day. Water up or water out? This clever gadget does both. The OXO 2-in-1 sink strainer lets you trap food scraps or seal the sink with just a twist. Made from stainless steel with a soft silicone underside, it's easy to clean and built to last. No more leaky drains or messy blockages, just smooth switching and a cleaner sink every single time. Still wondering who's been at your garage? The MyQ Smart Keypad answers that with built-in HD video, motion alerts, and two-way audio. You can see visitors, talk to them, and even assign custom PIN codes for family or deliveries. It works with most major openers and connects straight to your phone. Security, control, and convenience, all in one smart keypad. When the drain clogs, forget the struggle. The POPULO electric plunger clears blockages with pure air power. Up to 5 bars of pressure in seconds. One press and it blasts through toilets, sinks, or shower drains without chemicals or elbow grease. It's fast, clean, and surprisingly satisfying to use. The future of unclogging is literally push-button easy. Lighting that follows your mood? Yes, please. The Philips Hue smart bulbs connect via Bluetooth and let you pick from millions of colors using your phone or voice. Dim them, brighten them, or switch from warm to cool light in seconds. Movie night, reading time, or morning energy boost. Your lighting now listens to you. Smart, stylish, and endlessly customizable. Tired of fiddling with the thermostat every morning? The Google Nest thermostat does it for you. It learns your schedule, adjusts temperatures automatically, and saves energy while keeping your home perfectly cozy. You can control it from anywhere with your phone or voice using Google Assistant or Alexa. It's sleek, smart, and designed to blend into any room. The kind of upgrade you'll feel every single day. Germs on the soap pump? Not anymore. This touchless dispenser releases perfect foam with a simple wave of your hand. It's fully rechargeable, with adjustable volume control and a sleek, waterproof body that fits any kitchen or bathroom. No drips, no waste, just smart, hygienic convenience every time you wash. Clean hands the easy way. Some memories deserve more than a screen. With the KODAK Dock Plus, you can print vibrant 4x6-inch photos straight from your phone in seconds. It uses 4 PASS dye sublimation tech, giving you fade-resistant, fingerprint-proof prints that last for years. Choose borders, add filters, or customize right from the KODAK app. Instant nostalgia, now in your hands. Still carrying keys around? Time to go keyless. The Schlage Encode Smart Deadbolt connects to Wi-Fi, letting you lock or unlock your door from anywhere. Set up custom codes for family or guests, get instant alerts, and even control it with Alexa or Google Assistant. It's secure, stylish, and one of the smartest home upgrades you can make. Wish your curtains opened on their own every morning? The SWITCHBOT curtain opener makes that happen. It clips onto your existing rods or rails, then quietly slides them open or closed with a voice command or app tap. You can schedule sunrise wake-ups or automatic closings at night. It's compact, silent, and turns ordinary curtains into something futuristic.